Written logs and legacy temperature monitoring systems no longer meet the requirements of today's high-performance laboratories. Swift Sensors offers a modern temperature-compliant solution that combines easy-to-deploy wireless sensors with powerful analytics, instant mobile alerts, and detailed reports. Swift Sensors are compact, lightweight, and wireless. Connect to the cloud with the push of a button and immediately begin to view real-time analytics on any device. Receive instant alerts via SMS, email, or voice, and take immediate action if temperatures deviate from specified ranges. Generate daily logs and reports to satisfy regulatory requirements and audits. Reduce financial risk, increase efficiency, maintain compliance, and improve patient safety. Upgrade to Swift Sensors' modern temperature-compliant solution.